YouTube community, welcome to Pal Please. This is Tina, who's sniffing stuff. Today we're going to be doing the dog IQ test. So the first thing that we do in a dog IQ test, well, the purpose of it is to test how smart your dog is, and you give it points. So the first thing we're going to do is put a towel, in this case a blanket, on top of Tina, and see how long it takes for her to take it off. So, without further ado, we're going to use this Bratz blanket and put her on her head. And let's count down how long it takes her to take it off. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Good job, Teeny. 17 seconds. Now, come on, Teeny. No. Yeah, my dog doesn't love this. Now, the next thing we do is put a treat under the towel. This is Tina's favorite treat. Now, we're going to put a treat under the towel. Just one little one. And see how long it takes her to find the treat. There's a treat under the towel. Find it, Teeny. It's right there, Tina. Go look for it. Come on, Teeny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, Tina, you failed at this epically. Here you go, get the treat. What do you need? Do you want it? She doesn't want it. Alrighty then, that's awkward. Now, the next step is to put one treat under 3 cups. I cover Tina's eyes, and she needs to figure out which cup has a treat. So, I'm going to show her which cup has a treat. It's this one, Teeny, okay? Now we cover her eyes. Let's back these up and see which one she is. And go, Tina. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Well, this epically failed. Tina does not want treats. So, the last step we do, which I'm sure will bring Tina to at least average intelligence for a dog, is the leash. So you shake the leash. If the dog gets excited, that means she's really intelligent. So let's see how Tina goes with this. She doesn't like her treat because it's me. Here's a leash, Teeny. Oh, Teeny, come on. Alrighty then. Well, that's it. Thanks for stopping by. Subscribe and follow and comment and other stuff. Ciao.